Good morning. Today,
What are we doing?
Today we're gonna cook you.
I'm gonna cook ICHIRAN, shape of you.
And the winner is...
Ses? Anong ganap? Bitaw.
I have read everything.
Alalay show.
Then I didn't understand.
I don't understand.
Still, what siya?
Yes, hello, good day, good morning everyone. We are here right now at Seaview Black Lion to experience the first class. Wala, ayun sa background ni. Yes, hi, hello, good morning everyone. Yes, hi, hello, good morning everyone. We are here right now at Seaview Black Lion to experience the first class brought to you by Titar and Rein. So,
With the special participation
of our brother,
Mikey.
who, anyways, without further ado,
Ado, spell ado.
ADO. Ado. Ado. Di siya nito, di ba?
Ado.
You know Ado? I don't know Ado.
It's boiling. You turn the camera.
Yeah. I will introduce to you the special ingredients for our today's cooking show.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti pataas, spaghetti pababa. Pataas, pataas, pababa, pababa.
Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas na pataas.
And this is Shamsi.
Sup-sup.
And this red deadly weapon of mass destruction.
Blow the S out of your ass.
It will blow your
So
mind.
now, I'm gonna open the noodles and then we're gonna put it there in the takore. It's boiling already. So follow me.
Also, is siya wedding celebration?
We put it in the takore, the mai and the cook. Uy, bago ka na ay kanang sweet. Egg. There is no meat and there is no.
Maybe we'll look for a
Celery.
like a sibuyas dahon. Hello. Hi. Are you there? I'm here. Stay there.
The special ingredient for the ramen. It will clean your soul. Oh my God.
It's kind of blurry.
It's kind of blurry because
Mga taga-makeup tutorial.
Again. Do it again. Oh my god. I think it's gonna be. Shit. Shit. Like, see?
Yeah, it will clean your soul. Seoul, Korea from Japan.
So we're waiting for it to cook.
Yes, and we'll put it here.
Because we're fucking hungry, we can't wait.
Because actually this is a evacuation program for the benefit of
Blurry na.
no you just have to
Okay, go.
Yeah. For the benefit of
The children of
SSPS
Our future.
children. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Yes. They must heal the world.
Yeah, to make it a better place.
Yes.
For
yes,
you and for me.
and the entire human race.
Wow, that's nice. I love
And we have a
that
special
stuff.
sponsor for us, for our lunch.
Wow, apang pagitaan ko ay
The boiling point.
the boiling.
There you go.
Burag lain, burag ako.
Boom, boom, pow!
Here also. Beep, 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 ang sabi ng jeep. Lucky me.
Uy, dapat yung constant stare daw.
Oh, hindi siya.
Ano daw? Ano ba? May sumay.
Kuan ba siya?
Parang muna na
Nurse siya, di ba?
Okay,
Japanese.
the boy steerer is there. You take away the yellow strings. Look at it, okay?
Look at.
If all else fails.
If all else fails,
Kanya mo ng spaghetti.
actually, yellow spaghetti. It's like a cotton candy.
When all else fails,
13 reasons why.
we have 5 blades. Perfect for us.
Hello, you're like in an aquarium. You sound like a fish. Block, 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 block.
Hindi ako sa'yo sunog. Sa'yo next.
Kaya, ibuhos na niya.
Boomerang, boomerang, boomerang.
Ano na?
Shamsi?
Shoop, shoop.
Shamsi.
Okay, i-fill na to kay kita.
The taster. Test, test.
Are you seryoso?
Sino?
Dapat ito nga siya lang. Nagtao, sige. Ay, patay! Ano na?
Siya. Oo, labi siya, Tar.
200 itlog. Basta na yung itlog base mo, mamadza. Nam nam nam! Nam nam nam! Super haka ni. Saan ito isa?
Dadlim ko.
Dili, grabe po, dili. Kailangan ko ng haka ba?
Actually, I'm the owner of the channel, but since I don't do the talking that much today, so it's okay if they're gonna talk too. So yeah, you can shift the camera now for the other. Go, go.
Okay, ra.
Nami, no, namian ko.
Look at that. Look. Art of mirror.
Hindi na matagkagod eh.
Sorry, kapila na tayo.